Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how we can make like a directory to make our files download on either a hard drive or an SSD. So here on my computer I have well, first you have to know which one's which. So you have to see, usually you should know the storage of what you get. So you should say that like here your data drive, which is the 1 terabyte, it'll tell you it's the hard drive like on your like specs on your computer that you purchase, or you'll be able to tell by the storage, and it's by its name as well. So, and if for whatever reason that you have trouble finding which one, you could honestly just unplug one of them and see if it'll boot up without it. Because if it can, then it's most likely if it can't, then it's most likely the SSD. And also it says Windows here. See this Windows sign right here? It says the Windows sign, so you know that it's the C drive, which is the this SSD. So let's say like I wanted to play something such as like GTA, right? But I wanted to have it not, and I wanted to have it on my hard drive, right? So what you would have to do is you have to go to your launcher, and all these launchers are very easy to see. You have to go in the settings, and usually you would find something called a directory, which is pretty much just like a place where all the files from the game should go. So we're gonna take a look here while this loads. I don't know why it's taking forever, but it's very easy, guys. So you're gonna go to your like library or whatever. So let's say I wanted to play install Rocket League. So it'll say choose install location. So right now it's currently on my C drive. So if I did not want it on my C drive, which is that in this case is my SSD, and I want it on my data drive where I have more storage, then you would have to go here, and then we could create a file, or you can just do it to any of the previous ones. Just name it here. I'm gonna name it Rocket League. Alright, then you're gonna select it, and then select folder, and then you would click install, and that's it. And also like for games like Grand Theft Auto and stuff, you might not be able to get an automatic place for it to download. So what you have to do is uninstall it, and then you'll be able to see a directory. And also a lot of times it's in the settings somewhere. Here in Fortnite, I mean in Epic Games is not, but in many games you'll be able to see somewhere in the settings there'll be a directory. Alright guys, so if you have any more questions, just please put them in the comments, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.